Okay, Isaac, we're going to play a game to help with the number bonds. So outside in the garden, I have done a treasure hunt of Numicon. Okay, Numicon is a structural maths resource that you can put together to see different parts of a number. Okay, so what we're going to do, Isaac, is I want you to make pairs of numbers that add up to
10.
10. Okay, so what I would suggest is you find a 10 first, and then you can place the other numbers on top to check if it makes 10. Do you get that?
Yep.
Okay, are you ready to go outside? Okay,
yeah.
Apologies for the mess in the garden. Off you go, Isaac. Find your number bonds to 10. I'd find a 10 first.
Found a 5 and a 2.
Right. Do they go together to make 10?
No.
Right.
So we need to find another 5 to make it.
Perfect.
And we found another 5 here.
Yep.
So that makes 10.
Right.
So we'll put those.
Why don't you put them on the table then? Oh, look, there's a 10 there you can check it against.
And it perfectly fits.
So 5 add 5 equals?
10.
Okay, off you go then.
So this 2 and 5 make 8. 2 and 4 make 8.
Do they?
6. But if we get another 1, it would another 2 2 more 2s, it will make 10.
2 more 2s. You're absolutely right, it would. But why don't we find one other piece that makes... Why don't we find something to go with the 2 and something to go with the 4?
So this must go with that.
Good job.
And that. So that fits together, but it doesn't make 10.
Does it not? What have you got? Okay, take the 2 off. Right, put the 2 down somewhere else for now. Right, what can you do with those 2 pieces that you've got there?
So we could add on this guy.
Isaac, just put them next to each other and see what they make. What's that equal to?
10.
Right, so you've made another 10. So 4 and 6 is equal to 10. Pick them up and then put them on your table. Right, we're going to carry on doing this. Start treasure hunt. Isaac found loads of number bonds to 10. The best thing about it was the conversations that we had about which numbers went together and putting them different ways round. And you can see this last one here. He decided that he wanted 8 and 2 1s instead of 1 2 to go together, and we had a good discussion about that. Now I know most of you don't have Numicon at home. You can draw this out or print it off, but you don't need to do that. I wanted Isaac to have a look at the structure of the numbers first. We're now going to play it with number cards, which you can all do. I got him to write down the numbers earlier, which I'll show you, and now he's going to find pairs of numbers that make 10 that way. Isaac's just making some number cards. He's using his number line to make sure he does them the right way round, and he's doing them nice and big on some paper for me. This time there are red cards that you wrote the numbers for, and you need to find the ones that match together to make 10. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, off you go.
Oh, straight away.
What number?
3.
Right, so what number do you need to find to go with that to make 10?
4.
3 and
10.
to make 10.
What is this one? See what this one is. 2.
Okay, think about the Numicon. What went with 3? It was the yellow piece. 3 and...
7.
Go find 7 then.
No, that was pink.
Okay, but now you're just looking for the number 7.
That's 8.
We don't want 8 yet, do we? So come and put them on the table then. You've got a pair. Give me the number sentence.
7 equals 10.
Good job. Can you say it the other way around?
7, that's why I shouldn't.
Pick it up then. 7 add.
3 equals 10.
Okay. Right, we're going to carry on and find all the rest of the number bonds. Don't worry. We'll find the rest of the number bonds. Off you go.
Stay.
So Isaac has found all his number bonds. We had to find some pebbles to put them down to stop the wind blowing them away. I did just realise that, of course, we could have drawn the numbers on the pebbles and hidden around the garden. So maybe we'll do that another day. Okay. So Isaac's chosen some of the number sentences that he wants to write out. Careful, matey. Good job. Well spotted. Okay. Can you choose one of those number sentences now to flip round? So we've got 3 add 7 equals 10, but we can also write it as... Well done. So, oh, careful. Check, check, check. Read that number sentence to me. 7 add... Check if that number's the right way around, please. Thank you. I've just realised we're filming all of this upside down. Sorry. Good job, because 3 and 7 is equal to 10, and 7 and 3 is equal to 10. Does it matter which way round they are when you're adding? No, it doesn't matter, does it? Okay. So there's lots of different ways you can play this game. The Year 1 objectives are that the children know their number bonds to 10 and then 20. So you could obviously write out the cards with numbers to 20. If you've got more than one child learning their number bonds, you could do it on different coloured cards and they could race to work it out. In Year 2, we need to make sure they know their number bonds to 10 and 20 first, but then they also need to know their number bonds to 100. So there's loads of scope there for, to do that. They could always find one number in a treasure hunt and then have to write the number that went with it to make 100. The children in my class, children at our school, they don't have to write the number sentences. They could write it in a bar model or a cherry model if they wanted to, or both. That would be amazing. Okay, hope it's been useful. Bye.